Alright guys, how's it going? My name's Aidan and welcome to my channel. I've been living in Dubai for the past 15 years as a photographer, videographer. I just thought I'd start documenting my little side adventures, exploring areas of Dubai that many people might not have seen. Today we're going to go and explore Dubai Creek and take you on a little journey. Hope you like the video. Please follow me if you want to see more of these. Let me know in the comments where you'd want me to go, or just give me some general feedback because I'm new to this YouTube game. Enjoy! Cheers guys! For me, this is my escape. Getting out and about, getting lost, and seeing what you can find. That's always what I've done. It's always made me happy. Sometimes we tend to lose track of ourselves due to all types of reasons in life that we have, you know. So I hope these types of videos going forward will inspire others to do the same and take you on the journey. Enjoy the rest of the video guys. I'm going to take you through all the back streets of Dubai Creek.
Hello from Philippines, fishing now, catching a shark.
Cheers for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. See you guys on the next journey.